Buying the best product on the market can be challenging, and well, that's why we are here to help you. And these are our recommendations for the best 6 products on the market. Remember to check out the description below for more information and prices. Shark AZ3002. Stratos. The Shark AZ3002 Stratos upright vacuum is a top-of-the-line cleaning tool with exceptional performance and innovative features. It features DuoClean PowerFins, a unique technology combining a bristle brush roll and a soft roller to effectively capture large debris and fine particles on different floor types. With the powered lift-away feature, you can easily detach the canister from the main unit, transforming it into a portable vacuum for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. The HairPro technology is specifically designed to tackle pet hair and long strands, preventing tangles and ensuring uninterrupted suction. The self-cleaning brush roll feature actively removes hair wrap, making maintenance hassle-free. Additionally, the vacuum utilizes odor neutralizer technology to eliminate unpleasant odors, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean after every use. Equipped with advanced swivel steering, LED headlights, and a large dust cup capacity, the Shark AZ3002 offers convenient maneuverability, excellent visibility, and extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. It's a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for households with pets or anyone seeking superior suction power and versatile cleaning capabilities. Hoover WindTunnel. The Hoover WindTunnel Tempo Bagged has a okay build quality. It has entirely plastic constructions, though the material varies in quality depending on the components in question. This vacuum is decently easy to store. It makes the most of its bulky footprints by having onboard storage for its wands, combination upholstery, dusting tools, and power brush. Its power cords can be wrapped around the back of the body. It has an excellent dirt compartment. It has a fairly large capacity, and the indicators on the vacuum turns from green to red or can flutter to alert you once it has reached maximum capacity with a mediocre ranges. Its power cords is fairly long, but the vacuum hose is quite short, which makes cleaning high-placed shelves a little difficult. The Hoover WindTunnel Tempo Bagged has few quality-of-life features. The vacuum heads has 5 levels of height adjustment for everything from bare floor to shag carpeting and has a headlight to illuminate dark areas. It clears everything from pets' hair to bulky debris like cereals without an issues, and performance remains consistent as its dirt bag fills. While it's quite easy to maintain, several parts require regular replacement, so recurring costs are fairly high. You can turn off its brush roll, which should also let you go over surface like hardwood without fear of scratching it up. Miele Triflex HX2 Pro. This is Miele's most powerful vacuum cleaner. It boasts some fine-tuned specs over its predecessor, Miele HX1 Cat and Dog, with a digital efficiency motor, longer battery runtime, and an overall lighter piece of kit, so it gets our vote for the best premium upright vacuum. We found that it was really easy to maneuver around the home, across floor surfaces, and reaching higher up. The most impressive design feature for us was the patented 3-in-1 design, meaning that we could configure the HX2 to use as a cordless stick, cordless handled, and cordless upright vacuum cleaner. Switching between these modes was really simple because it was just a matter of repositioning the main power unit, home to the motor, rechargeable battery, and dust box. Dirt, dust, and debris pickup was also really good, with the extra wide floor head covering more floor space with each pass. The small 0.1 gallon, 0.5 liter bin interrupted a clean of a 3-bed house to empty far too often though, and we were lucky to get 28 minutes out of one battery set on the lowest power setting per clean. It also carries a heavy price tag, but it could be an investment you're willing to make. Dyson Ball Animal 2. Dyson revealed in 2018 that it was concentrating on cordless stick vacuums and had no plans to unveil any new corded models. So while the Dyson Ball Animal, the 2nd of May, be a few years old, it is one of the best upright vacuum you can buy if you're looking for a larger dust canister and wider floor cleaning head. During testing, it was as effective as the Dyson V15 Detect when it came to collecting dust and debris from our floors. It even sucked up an impressive amount of ground-in dirt from our carpets, ensuring they were thoroughly cleaned. In addition, the 0.48 gallon, 1.8 liter dust canister is the largest on an upright vacuum we've seen, and the extension tube reached the top of a flight of 13 stairs, so you won't need to worry about lifting the vacuum, which is one of the heaviest on the market. We were disappointed there were no LEDs on the floor cleaning head, a feature offered by some vacuums on this list, making cleaning easier when cleaning in dark spaces under furniture. It's also bulky, meaning it may be a problem to store. That said, this is the best on the market right now when it comes to upright vacuums. BISSELL SurfaceSense. The BISSELL SurfaceSense Pet Upright Vacuum, Model 28179, is a high-performance cleaning tool designed specifically for pet owners. It features a tangle-free multi-surface brush roll that effectively removes embedded pet hair and debris from various floor types without getting tangled. With its LED headlights, this vacuum provides excellent visibility in dark corners and under furniture, ensuring thorough cleaning. The Smart Seal allergen system traps and locks in dust and allergens, preventing them from being released back into the air, resulting in a healthier home environment. The vacuum comes with specialized pet tools, including a pet turbo eraser tool and a 2-in-1 pet dusting brush to tackle pet hair on upholstery, stairs, and other surfaces. Its easy empty dirt tank allows for quick and mess-free emptying, making maintenance a breeze. With its powerful suction, pet-specific features, and user-friendly design, the BISSELL SurfaceSense Pet Upright Vacuum is an ideal choice for pet owners seeking efficient and convenient cleaning solutions that effectively tackle pet hair and allergens. Dirt Devil Endura UD 20124V. The dual motorized system features two motors. The first motor powers the brush bar, and the second powers the vacuum head. This system allows you to reach hard-to-reach areas along furniture legs and corners easily. This vacuum has a flexible crevice tool that can be used for cleaning small spaces like under furniture or behind appliances. It has a swivel head that allows you to access tight spaces without any difficulty easily. The flexible crevice tool also helps you clean around furniture legs and other narrow areas, which is ideal for pet owners who have pets that shed often. The Dirt Devil Endura Reach bagless upright vacuum cleaner has a maneuverable design, so it's easy to use even if you have arthritis or mobility issues. It has an ergonomic handles that provides maximum comfort while working, and it comes with a shoulder strap for convenience when carrying it from room to room or from one place in your home to another. Its lightweight designs allows for easy storage and transportation, so it's ideal for users with limited space in their homes or apartments. The Dirt Devil Endura Reach bagless upright vacuum cleaner has a large dirt container that can be emptied quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.